Oh, hold up. Hey, what it is, what it be? Shut up. This is not your video. Hey, everybody, it's your girl, another person, and today I'm here with one of my friends. No one said that you were joining us.
Shut up. Why you broke?
Be quiet. I'm here with Little Roach Fame and somebody else. Shut up.
Y'all wanna check out my channel? It's Little Roach Fame.
Yeah, link in the description, y'all. I'm a fart on now, y'all.
Bro, I'm not even dying. What the heck?
You just got.
Get away from your gooey tail. Wait. What?
Good.
Stop. Just stop. Just stop.
Hey, hold up.
Hold up.
Yeah.
Stop.
Stop spectating me before I. You better shut up with your booty hole. Boy, you better shut up with your big. Girl, you better shut up with your big booty hole.
Hey, how do you go backwards on the computer though?
Oh no. I'm going down, baby. The street is straight.
Do you push the arrows? Do you push the arrows or something?
Yes, you push the arrows. Don't be retarded. Yeah, don't be stupid.
I try to do that on the computer, but I actually can't. So get your ugly old wallet, whatever your stupid name is. But you gotta get out of the way, boy. What?
Okay. Harley Quinn. I meant Little Roach Fam. This is one of my other friends right here.
Jasmine. Rainbow Soul. Jasmine. How do you get married on here?
Stop. Don't call me that. Hope you die. I hope my friends die. I hope my friend dies because my friend is gonna die because she calls me Ari all the time. No. Saying all lives matter is a protest to my protest. What kind of is that? Oh my god.
She's just like staring at me, like walking up to me.
Little Roach Fam, where you at though? Is that you?
I was just like a bump biscuit.
You're retarded. Why are you not killing the zombie? Let's go. No! I thought that zombie went up and went, yee. Oh my god.
She's not gonna kill you.
I'm gonna kill you, little girl.
Come on.
We're about to go down though. Come on, let's go.
Come on, walk down. Okay, let's go. Wait.
No.
I took you out of my headphones because
Look.
I'm gonna save your friend. Right, I'm gonna say Rainbow so cool. OL, whatever her name is.
Call her Naya. You can call her Naya.
She's like a killer.
You can call her Little Roach.
Get away from my friend. Get away from my friend.
You can.
He's coming up the ground. Ew, he's like a bump biscuit. Oh my gosh, get away from me. Yeah.
Jasmine, how are we not related?
Yeah. I'm gonna die.
I'm coming, girl.
Oh, hey, no, wait.
Where are you? Are you already dead? Are you already dead? Jasmine, are you already dead?
No. Are you?
Nah, I'm still going.
Where are you? I can't even see you. Where are you?
I'm going back to the.
Oh, I see Bacon. I see a Bacon boy out here, though.
Don't call him that.
Are you up in here? Why are you here?
Hey, girl, you up in her? Or her?
That's a bad person. I just freaking.
Go up. Go on the mountain. Climb onto the mountain. Climb up the hill, okay?
The what? The hill? Okay.
I'm on the hill.
It's the zombie up following
I'm going
me, man.
down, baby. Look, cheating that shit.
Oh, I see you. I see you. Hi, girl. What the hell?
Oh, leave me alone. I hope that zombie kills the brain.
Oh,
Oh
you already shot. I got 18, girl. How many kills you got?
I got 7. I got 731. No. For real, look. For real. No, For real, look. No, for real. Look,
Come and check this out. Look. Come and check this out.
No, for real. I swear on God, I got that many kills. I got 732 now. On God.
You're a liar. I know you're a liar.
No, I'm going to hell.
Liar, pants on
I'm going to hell if I lie and I put it on God, okay? I put that on God, though.
Get away from me, you broke biscuit. I know she lie a lot. Yeah, I know she lie a lot.
Shut up, Anaya. Shut up with your big burnt biscuit buns.
You don't have to shut up. You don't have to shut up.
Listen, Anaya got them big burnt biscuit buns. You hear me, Little Roach Fame? She got them big burnt biscuit buns.
Why is there zones like jumping down on freaking man? This is so freaking weird. Oh, we got Panther Mask. Look at him. We got Panther Mask.
Shut up.
Your face said she hate you.
She got big burnt biscuit buns. That's why she hated him.
Oh my god.
She got big burnt biscuit buns. That's why she hated him.
This is a tank. Get away from me. Get away from my friend. Get away from me, you ice zombie. I thought he was dead. Oh my gosh. Life cleared. Bro, don't be talking to her like that before I kill you in the head. Okay?
I'm not talking to you. I'm talking to that Anaya little. Ooh!
Don't talk to her like that. Don't talk to her like that.
No.
I talk to her.
We've been friends for 6 years. Me and Anaya have. Me and Anaya have been amigos for 6 years. Okay, don't get it twisted, honey. I talk to her like that.
And now y'all roasting each other, man. That's so weird as heck.
Yeah, we got them big burnt biscuit buns.
What?
Jasmine, you know what BBB stands for? Big burnt biscuit buns. Listen, you know what BBB stands for? Them big burnt biscuit buns.
You shut up, I'll kill you in the head. I'm gonna kill you and throw this knife at you.
Wait, do you know what BBBB means?
Man, I'm gonna get my pistol. I'm tired of the balls, man. The balls is doing way too much. I'm tired of them.
Yeah, but boss, you do too much.
Big old mega tank.
You know, like
where is he though? Where is he? Where is he though?
Michaela.
Where is the mega tank?
Michaela asked.
Where is he?
Wait, Little Roach.
He's down here. He's down here.
Little Roach Fam, you know? Do you agree that Michaela at school, she do too much? She like this zombie right here. Michaela, she do too much like this zombie.
Come on, everybody, shoot this boy. Shoot the dang boy. What you doing, boy?
Leave me alone. I'm about to slap you up in your head.
No. my god, shoot him, shoot him, shoot him, shoot him, shoot him. Shoot him! Shoot him!
We almost killed him.
How many kills you got? I got 39.
Hold up.
I'm so glad I'm not up there, because I'm up here. Tell Rainbow to get up here so she can be safe. He did. He did. He's dead.
I have 747 kills.
He's dead. He's dead. Yes. He is dead. You're done, man. You're done. Go down there.
Anyway, hopefully y'all enjoyed this video. Hopefully you berries enjoyed this video. And if you did, y'all should like and subscribe. And if you didn't, y'all should still like and subscribe. That's all I gotta say, man. I guess I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.